everyone and welcome back. I have this question in my comments very often, and to me and maybe to you it makes sense that they're not the same product, but there's a lot of people who are confused if they should get the mineral loose powder foundation by Mary Kay or the translucent powder. Now I feel like I explained this in different videos, but I wanted to make a dedicated one so I can refer people that have questions about the differences and what they're like. If you have questions about other comparisons with Mary Kay products, like which one is better and stuff like that, I'll have a list of videos in the description box down below, and also some of them are gonna pop up on the top of the screen if you want to see comparison between the matte, the luminous foundation, the CC cream, reviews and all that, so you have a better idea, maybe even a foundation routine with this powder that I have already up in my channel. The main difference is this translucent powder, that's exactly what it is. It is a translucent powder and it's for all skin tones. So people get confused because when they look at the mineral foundation, they have different colors. So some people think, oh, it's better if I get this one because I don't have to look for the perfect color for me. Well, they're not the same. The translucent powder, it's kind of the last step after you do your foundation, your blush, your bronzer, all, and you just want to make sure that it's set into your skin. That will give you an HD effect, and it's kind of the, again, finishing powder for the look. Now the foundation, or the mineral foundation by Mary Kay, it's a foundation that will be used for coverage. So this is not the product that you will use at the end on top of your blush, your bronzer, and your face product. This is going to be the foundation or the coverage that you are going to get to cover whatever imperfections you want to cover on your face, or even out your skin tone. So they can't do the same thing, because this one, since it doesn't have color, it's not going to be able to give you coverage like this one, and this one is not going to be able to finish the makeup just because it doesn't have the same kind of ingredients. This has silica and it's specifically for setting your foundation and to give you a flawless finish, while this one, it's only a foundation, and it does have a lot of benefits that I'm not sure if I have a review on it, but if I don't have a review on these powders, that is something that I'm gonna share with you right away, because I feel like people think that since they look very similar, one has color and the other one doesn't, that they should do the same thing, and that, you know, that's not the case. And that's not the case for any powders, like mineral foundation powder and any other brand of finishing powder. They're just not the same. They can't be replaced one for the other. But what you can do is use them together. You can use the foundation first, you know, kind of make sure that, you know, you get all the coverage that you need with this foundation. And again, I do have a foundation routine that it's very, very old, but I do exactly the same thing today. And then you can go, and after you have all your makeup on, you can go in with a finishing powder and get even a better finish. So they can be used together, but they can't replace one another because they're not the same thing. I'm not saying that you need to buy them both. I'm saying that you have to pick the one that it was going to work for you, or what you need for, in this case, loose powder. Do you need coverage? Then you need a foundation. Do you need a finishing powder to help you, give you more of a flawless look because you like more foundations that are liquid or creams? Then, you know, this is gonna be for you. You just have to know that they're not the same. So if you're new to my channel and you want to check out more comparison, remember to check that in the description box down below. Also, if you haven't subscribed, you can subscribe in the red button so you can keep up with the new videos on my channel. Thanks again for watching, guys, and I'll see you on my next one.